All right, we're going to look at an explanation for problem number 15 on page 157. In this problem, we are given that angle 5 and 6 are congruent. I'm going to mark that on my diagram here. So here we've got angle 5 and angle 6 are congruent. And then I'm supposed to prove that 4 and 6 here are supplementary. Now I know that 4 and 5 are supplementary because they're a linear pair. So then I'm thinking since these are congruent, I can substitute in. And then I'll have 4 and 6 supplementary. So that shouldn't be too hard to put together. So let's just go ahead and start with the fact that angle 5 is congruent to angle 6. That's our given. And then let's see, that means that their measures are equal. I'll go ahead and get that definition of congruence. The next thing is to see that 4 and 5 are going to add up to 180. So the measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 5 equals 180 degrees. That's going to be the linear pair theorem that says that they're going to be supplementary. And now I can do some substitution because here's angle 5 and here's angle 5, and we said angle 5 equals angle 6. So we can go in here and say the measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 6 equals 180, and that's going to be substitution. And then our last step is to say, well, if they add up to 180, they're obviously supplementary. So angle 4 and angle 6 are supplementary, and that's simply the definition of supplementary. And there we go.